Welcome! If you're over 45 and looking to maximize your earning power, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 10 side hustles that can help you do just that. We're not talking about getting rich quick schemes here. This is about leveraging your unique skills and passions to create a fulfilling and profitable side gig. Set your own hours, be your own boss, and unlock the potential you have within. So buckle up, get ready to ignite your inner entrepreneur, and let's get started. Now you might be thinking, YouTube, isn't that for kids? Well, think again. Let me tell you, that's a limiting belief holding you back. YouTube is for everyone, no matter your age or background. YouTube is a powerful platform for sharing your knowledge and passions with the world, regardless of your age. Whether it's cooking, gardening, tech reviews, or travel vlogs, there's an audience out there waiting for your unique perspective. With the power of AI video generation tools, you can create engaging content, featuring your voice and ideas, even if you're camera shy. These tools can help you edit videos, add special effects, and even generate scripts. From ad revenue to sponsorships and even selling your own products or services, the opportunities are endless. You can monetize your channel in various ways. Starting a YouTube channel can be a fun and lucrative way to share your passions with the world. So why wait? Dive in and let your creativity shine. Have you ever recommended a product or service to a friend and wished you could get a cut of the sale? Well, that's the basic idea behind affiliate marketing. By creating valuable content like blog posts, social media updates, or even YouTube videos, you can share your recommendations and earn passive income while helping others make informed decisions. In the digital age, information is king, and you are sitting on a treasure trove of it. Why not package your knowledge and expertise into digital products that others can learn from and benefit from? The best part is that once you've created your digital product, it can generate passive income for years to come. You've got years of experience and a wealth of knowledge under your belt. Your journey has been filled with valuable lessons and insights that can benefit others. Now it's time to share that wisdom and help others succeed. Imagine the impact you can have by guiding the next generation of content creators. Content creation is booming, and many creators are eager for guidance from seasoned professionals like you. Your experience can help them bring subject matter expertise to creating engaging content. As a content creation consultant, you can offer your expertise to help creators improve content. Your advice can be the key to unlocking their potential. By sharing your insights and experience, you can make a real difference in the lives of aspiring creators while building a fulfilling and profitable side hustle. Your guidance can help them achieve their dreams and create content that resonates with audiences worldwide. Have you always had a creative spark but never pursued it? Maybe you've always wanted to create art but felt you lacked the skills or time to learn. Or maybe you're an experienced artist looking for new ways to express yourself and reach a wider audience. The world of art is constantly evolving, and new tools can open up exciting possibilities. With the help of AI art generators, you can create stunning and unique pieces of art, even without any prior art experience. These tools can help you explore new styles and techniques effortlessly. Once you've created a collection of artwork you're proud of, you can sell it online through platforms like Etsy, where many artists have found success, Shopify, or even social media. These platforms make it easy to reach a global audience and connect with art enthusiasts everywhere. Turn your passion into profit and share your unique artistic vision with the world. Embrace the future of art and let your creativity shine. In today's digital landscape, businesses need to be smart about their advertising. Paid media optimization is all about using data and technology to ensure that advertising campaigns are seen by the right people at the right time. With the power of AI, you can analyze data, identify trends, and optimize campaigns for maximum impact. By mastering paid media optimization with AI, you can offer your services to businesses of all sizes, helping them achieve their marketing goals while boosting your own earning potential. What are you truly passionate about? What knowledge and skills have you accumulated over the years that others would love to learn? Creating an online course is a powerful way to share your expertise with a global audience and generate passive income while doing it. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easier than ever to create and sell online courses on any topic imaginable. You'll be amazed at the impact you can have by empowering others with your knowledge. A positive and engaging online community is crucial for any successful YouTube channel. As a YouTube moderator, you can play a vital role in fostering a respectful and constructive environment for viewers. It's also a flexible side hustle that can be done from anywhere with an internet connection. Do you have a way with words? Do you enjoy crafting compelling stories, informative articles, or persuasive marketing copy? If so, freelance writing could be your perfect side hustle. As a freelance writer, you can choose your clients, set your own rates, and work from anywhere in the world. Turn your love of language into a lucrative side hustle and watch your income grow with every word you write. Entrepreneurs and businesses are always looking for skilled individuals to help them with administrative tasks, customer service, social media management, and more. As a virtual assistant, you can provide these valuable services remotely, working from the comfort of your own home. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr offer a marketplace for virtual assistants to connect with potential clients, making it easier than ever to build a thriving side hustle as a virtual assistant. There you have it, 10 side hustles that can help you maximize your earning power and leverage your life experience. Remember, it's never too late to start something new. Choose a side hustle that excites you, take that first step, and commit to learning and growing along the way. Thanks for watching. Visit my website at masteringmonetization.expert for more tips and inspiration.